A good design might take skill, effort and knowledge, but above all, it takes time. In this video, I'll share with you 7 websites that I've been using for more than 10 years as a graphic designer with completely free assets that will help you create more in less time. And yes, they all have free for commercial use options, so you can use them however you want. The first one on the list is public domain vectors, and this one is already an absolute essential in any designer's arsenal. Not only do they have gorgeous illustrations, they are also published under the CC0 license, meaning they are all on the public domain and you can use them in absolutely any way you can think of. The website has a giant collection of over 65,000 vectors, but I'm not gonna lie, some of them look pretty bad. They have a lot of illustrations with that 2000s clip art vibe, which we're not very fond of anymore. My tip is to look for the illustrations that have the website logo on the bottom, which are created by the website's team itself and usually look really good. Next on the list we have SVG Repo, with a huge collection of more than 300,000 SVGs for you to choose from. They're mostly icons, but some could be considered illustrations as well, and the quality is really good. Just beware, public domain is not the only license being used here. Most vectors are licensed under Creative Commons 3.0, meaning you can use, share and transform the assets even for commercial use, but you have to give credit in some way to the author. If you're ever in doubt about a license, there's a whole page on SVG Repo explaining every license present on the website, so make sure to check it out. And talking about icons, the third website on the list is Icon Finder, with a collection of no less than 6 million icons and illustrations at your disposal. I am a huge fan of this website, so much that I've been a verified contributor since 2015, though I don't upload there anymore. Within their vast collection of icons, there are dozens of thousand ones that are free for commercial use. And the tip here is that you can filter the search to show only free products. Just be careful, because some of them do require you to give attribution to the author, so always check the license before using. Next on the list we have Mixkit, which is kind of a free branch of Envato Elements. What makes Mixkit great is not just the quantity, but the quality and diversity of the assets. They have videos, music, sound effects and presets for softwares like Premiere and Final Cut Pro, all free for commercial use and with no attribution required, which is honestly surreal. And let me tell you, the quality of the assets is stunning. The music sounds great, the presets look very professional, I'm sure you won't regret checking it out. Next we have Reshot, which is also owned by Envato Elements. Right up front they make it very clear that everything here is free, with no attribution required and available for commercial use. And needless to say, just like Mixkit, the quality here is outstanding, especially in the illustrations category. Illustrations that are both good looking, free for commercial use and with no attribution required are so hard to find, and you have hundreds of them here. Though they do have this vibe of using really bright colors, which makes it harder to apply on a specific design, but you can download them as vector files, so it's very easy to modify them. Now if it's quantity you're looking for, Pexels is the place for you. They have an absolutely massive library of photos and videos, and the quality is just top-notch. Their entire collection is free for commercial use with no attribution required, and you can get images at a very high resolution. Photos are usually available at up to 24 megapixels in size. While most videos are Full HD, you can find 4K footage as well. This is currently my favorite website for free stock images, especially when talking about photography with a more commercial vibe, like the kind of photos you would see in advertisements. Now, when the matter is fonts, there ain't no better place than Font Squirrel. This is simply the best collection of free for commercial use fonts available on the internet. Font Squirrel curates hundreds of fonts of all kinds in an organized and easy to use way. The website also has a great tool for identifying fonts, as well as a web font generator. And even though all fonts are free for commercial use, it's always recommended to read the license that comes with the font files. You know, just to make sure. Now, while free assets are an excellent way to work faster, they are just one ingredient in your productivity recipe. To help you spice up your workflow, check out this playlist where I teach you all I know about Adobe Illustrator. Creating more in less time also means knowing your tools. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching and I see you on the next one. Bye!